jingle bells, Christmas 65.
Draft cards burning on an open fire, protest marching everywhere. Living costs getting higher and higher. Air pollution fills the air. Kids with too much hair, Watusiing in discotheques. Rock and rolling silent night. And of course, there's that old Ku Klux Klan. They're hoping Christmas will be white. Dear old Red China has the bomb. There's also Castro and John Birch in Vietnam.